lab, we'll be seeing on how do you implement Azure functions. So this is our lab number 7. How do you create your Azure functions? I'm opening it, and again on the README file, I'm just going to follow step by step. So I'm going to my Azure portal, under all services, I'm just searching for a functions app, right? I'm just going to all services and I'm choosing for functions app. Under functions app, I just need to click on add, and then I'm just giving my resource group name, right? I'm just clicking on create resource group name, and the functions app is functions demo 123, something like this. Okay, and then what should I do? I just need to choose a code, and then .NET Core and ESTS, right? I'm just choosing code and .NET Core, and then I'm choosing ESTS, right? Then I just need to review and create it, and then create the functions. I'm not going to do anything, I'm just keeping everything as it is, and then I'm clicking on review and create, and then I'm trying to create. So it will try to create a functions app for me. Once after that is done, the next step is for me to create an HTTP trigger function and then try to check this. So let the functions are created, and then I just need to go inside the functions app, and I just need to go to functions and then click on add and create an HTTP trigger functions, right? So if you see, the functions app is getting created over here. So let it get created, and then I just need to follow it step by step. Okay, my functions app is created. Give us another 10 seconds. Okay, the functions app is created. I'm just going to inside the functions app, and now I need to create a functions. So I'm just going to function section over here, and then I just need to create a new functions, right? I just need to click on add. I'm clicking on add, and then I'm creating an HTTP triggered functions over here. So you have multiple functions to choose. This time, for example, I'm creating HTTP triggered functions, right? I'm just giving a name of the HTTP triggered functions, which is the same name. I'm just clicking on functions, HTTP trigger one, and I'm just clicking on this same name and everything. And I'm clicking on create. So what this will do, this will help us to create an HTTP trigger functions, and it will automatically write a code for it, right? So under code and test, when you go, you can actually see a code. See, this is a code which is automatically created for us, right? So next, what we should do, we just need to click on get functions URL, and then we just need to copy it and then try to run it to get the name. So I'm trying to get the functions URL, copying this, going to the output, and just trying to paste it, and then it says HTTP trigger function executed successfully. Please pass on the name to get the personalized query. So now what should I do? I just need to give ampersand name is equal to whatever name we want. So under the same thing, I'm just going to append ampersand name is equal to welcome to Azure functions. See, I'm getting welcome to Azure functions. The HTTP trigger functions is executed successfully. So this is how you just need to try and see it. And when you want to check how many functions have been executed or not, you just need to go to monitor section and we can see it. So under this monitor, I'm just going to go over there, and then we can see the queries that has been run recently. See, it will take quite some time. Results may be delayed up to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we can check what are all the list of queries that we ran successfully or failed, right? This is how you need to create a functions app so easily, and then create different types of functions and then run it accordingly. Right? Try this and then let me know if you guys face any issues. Until then, thank you.